This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brenda Lavin. Attractive lakefront 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome with 2-car garage was newly constructed in 2023. This energy-efficient home with impact windows has an open floor plan with a large kitchen island overlooking the great room and dining area. Upgraded kitchen package features 42 inches shaker-style cabinets, quartz counters, and stainless steel appliances. The second floor boasts a flexible loft space, 3 bedrooms and a laundry room. Owner has given attention to every detail including epoxy garage floor. Great location close to 1-95 for easy commuting and short distance to WPB shopping, dining and entertainment. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Lavin at 772-530-9515.